Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Kittle's Garage. I got a project here. The hot tub decided to spring a leak. I started filling that up over the weekend, and we have a small little slit in the hot tub, which I'll show you here in a second. Ran to the pool store, got a vinyl pool repair kit. It's a little fancier than what I need. But I guess this stuff you can actually do underwater. You don't have to drain your pool or hot tub or whatever you're trying to patch. The directions are pretty simple. Always cut a round patch. You don't want any sharp edges. And here's the adhesive and the applicator. So I'm going to put you on pause. We'll go out to the hot tub and I'll show you our tiny little hole. Alright, so here we are. There's the hot tub. Flip her over on the side here. And the slit is right there. Isn't that nice? So, I cleaned it off yesterday. We are going to put the patch right there, and see what happens. I guess I can sit down here. We'll sit down. All right, kids, are you still with me? Let's see if I can twist you up here so you can see. Right there. Alright, so get my adhesive. Poke a hole. Bloop. Get it on the applicator. Oh shit. Oops, excuse me. Get that on there. Can you see? Oh, hey, there we go. Put a little on there. We need more glue. Sorry, I'm not doing a very good job filming this for you kids. But I don't know what I'm doing. You guys don't know what you're doing. Hope everybody's enjoying their Monday. So, can you see where we at? Oh, you can't. So we're gonna lay that patch up there, like so, like butter. I hope you guys can see what the hell I'm doing. I think I need more glue. When in doubt, more glue. Shit. When in doubt, more glue. Alright, guys. That's it. I think that'll be alright. We'll let her dry. It says give it 24 hours, but who reads directions? Not people at Kittle's Garage. We don't read directions. Yeah, most of the time I do. Alright, kids. I won't hold you up. That's a quick little video today. Where are we at? We're at almost 6 minutes. And I think that'll work. Alright, guys. I'm not going to say it today. I don't feel like saying it, and I don't want to say it. Until next time, bye-bye.